It's Chantler Tiara and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time on my page, I see my beautiful face. Make sure that you subscribe down below and also hit that bell button so you don't miss a new video. If you are a returning cutie, hey girl, how you doing? I missed you. Today's video is another unboxing review, but this time it's not for the Miss to Mrs. box. I know if you're watching this video, that means that we have completed all 6 of the Miss to Mrs. box reviews and unboxing, but this time we're gonna do a new company. So today's video is in partnership with GlossyBox. GlossyBox is a beauty monthly subscription that offers 5 full-size beauty treats in a box. If you are someone who is into beauty as far as makeup, perfume, moisturizers, and skincare, then this is definitely the box for you. So if you're interested in what I got and my review on whether or not it was worth it, make sure you guys keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is how the box comes. It has GlossyBox right here as well as around the box, and then on the top it does also say GlossyBox. So first I do want to give you guys some specs on this box subscription. GlossyBox is $21 a month, or you can do the 12-month program where you pay $18 a month. If you use my code Chantler at checkout, you will receive 22% off of your first box. So you guys, if you are planning on purchasing this box or doing the subscription, make sure you guys use my code Chantler and you will receive 22% off of your first box. So yes, we are going to get into the box. Whenever you open it up, I received 2 gift cards on top. One for Velvet in the amount of $25. And then one from Vincero watches for $50 off, okay? So I did receive 2 different gift cards on the top of my box, all right? So then they have a box on the inside, which is the actual box, and it is the Aloha box. So this is how the box came, all right? And again, it says GlossyBox here, as well as it has that symbol on the back, and yeah, and then on the front it says a moment of paradise. So I'm really excited to see what's inside the box. I really love this packaging. I love the gold foil, and it's like a 3D foil, so if you rub your fingers against it, you can definitely feel it. Embossed, I think it's called embossed, but yeah, you can definitely feel it. And this is also a good quality box. You can probably use it again to store different things. If you have like hair clips or something like that, you can put that in here. If you have different, I don't know, just different jewelry, you can use this as I might use this as a jewelry box because I need one and I don't have one, but I'm definitely thinking that this might be my new jewelry box. Okay, so yes, let's take a really good look on the outside of the box and let's get to it. So when you open up the box, this is how it comes, like so, and they have a pink ribbon and a card on top. So the card says Aloha GlossyBox, and then on the inside it says Aloha Glossies. Now that summer is here, it's time to go on a beauty vacay of our own with this month's GlossyBox, Aloha. This month, there's no need to fly away with everything you need to feel like you're in paradise. Our collection of tropical delights will bring the feeling of vacation directly to your home. So let's shake off the summer woes and dive into some beauty treats to give you that summer glow you've been waiting for. Hashtag stay glossy. And then it has the beauty editor's name. Okay, and then it lists all the different items that I will be receiving. It lists all the different items that I will be receiving inside the box. And then on the back, it says our birthday surprise. Next month, we're celebrating our birthday, and we couldn't be more excited. Not only do we have another incredible box waiting for you, but we have an even more exciting announcement. A project we've been working on for almost 2 years is finally coming your way this August. Watch out, because GlossyBox is about to become bigger and better than ever. I wonder what they have planned, guys. Make sure that you guys are getting their August box and using my code Chantler to get 22% off so you can see what that big surprise is, guys. They have everything packaged pretty nice in here. You just have to pop the sticker open like a show. And the first thing that we have is a smoothing cream with Siberian olive. It's 25 millimeters or 0.88 fluid ounces. This is what it looks like. I don't know. And on the back it says it's a cream enriched with vitamin C, 100% natural. I'm trying to figure out what it says, y'all, because it's in, I think, Spanish, but you can kind of make out what some of the words is. But yes, this is a cream. Actually, let me look at my book. Let me look at my book, y'all. If y'all don't know what something is, make sure you always refer to the product book, okay? So this is the Northern Light Smoothing Fluid. In the height of summer, no one wants dull complexion. This natural face fluid is packed with Siberian olive, which is rich in vitamin C and salicylic acid to give you radiant skin, tighter pores, and more refined skin surface. Combined, a light fluid texture and a matte finish is ideal base for warm weather. So this would be considered, I guess, like a face cream, as well as you could probably use it as a primer because it says it tightens your pores and give you more refined skin surface. So I'm pretty sure you can use this as a primer as well. This size, which is the Deluxe Mini, which is 25 milliliters, retails for a total of $22. All right, so the next thing that we have in the box is the Hawaiian Black Salt Peel Off Mask. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it has this little tube to control basically how much it comes out. It kind of looks like that like applesauce that you give to babies. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Yeah. So it kind of looks like that. And it says this is the Hawaiian Black Salt Peel Off Mask. Boost your skin routine with this detoxifying peel off mask from Freeman Beauty. This skincare treatment helps gently exfoliate and rejuvenate skin from a luminous complexion. And this is a full size 6 fluid ounce, and it retails for $4.29. I will list all the links in the description box below, as well as the discount code and the GlossyBox website, so that way you guys can subscribe and get your boxes. So the next thing that we have is the Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. This is what it looks like. It says this body scrubber is perfect for even the most sensitive skin to buff away dead skin cells and dirt. Plus, its shape covers more surface area to get more cleaning done in half the time. And this also retails for $12, okay? So this is really good to use to exfoliate your full body. You can go and get your exfoliant scrub. Actually, if you watch my Miss to Mrs. box, they had a exfoliant scrub in there, so you can combine these two and basically scrub your body and get rid of all the dead skin that you may have on your body. Also, if you're somebody who get waxes, you can definitely use this a few days before your wax appointment to help exfoliate your skin. The next thing that we have is this Soothing Hawaiian Facial Oil, and this is, it says that this gentle facial oil provides the ideal treatment to relax and comfort irritated or sensitive skin, created using a careful combination of hydrating sandalwood and soothing lavender essential oils to your skin, and will feel comfortable throughout the entire day. And this is a 30 milliliter bottle, but they only come, like if you were to get it off of the website, it only comes in 100 milliliters, and that retails for $39, okay? Okay, so the next thing that we have are these hair masks, and I actually used these on my natural hair before I received this box. They come in like different kinds, but whenever I'm doing a deep conditioning or a protein treatment on my mask, I definitely go for these. One, because they're cheap, and two, they are really good. Manoe Coconut Oil Conditioners. Say hello to a tropical treat with this hydrating hair conditioner infused with softening manoa oil, a blend of Tahitian gardenias, and coconut oil to hydrate and strengthen. This conditioner protects against damage by softening and strengthening your locks. Plus, who doesn't love a little something extra? So yes, this would be like a hair mask that you would put onto your hair after you shampoo and leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse out. And then your hair would be locked and loaded with lots and lots and lots of moisture. The full size of this retails for $5.99, but this is the deluxe sachets. So you can find the sachets on their website at Hask Beauty, or I'm pretty sure you can, I have hair in my mouth. Okay, but I'm pretty sure you can get it from like Walmart or Walgreens as well, just the sachets. All right, guys, so the last thing that we have is this Palm Balm. So this Palm Balm, take a breather with this 2-in-1 combo that enhances your lips and cheek with a lovely shade of peachy rose. Formulated with coconut and apricot kernel oil, your skin will have a gorgeous, fresh, tropical glow. And this is their full size, and it retails for $21. You can use it. So basically, this is like, let me see if I can open it. So this is what it would look like. So when you open it, it has this really nice peachy pink color. It doesn't really have a smell to it, but it has this really nice peachy pink color. And basically you can use it as a lip tint, or if you are somebody who likes cream blushes, you can definitely use this as a cream blush. I particularly enjoy cream blushes during the summer though, because they're very light and they're not like boom in your face. So yes, I will definitely be using this. So yes, guys, this is everything that comes in the box. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, this is 6 full size and full mini size samples that I received in the July Aloha box from a GlossyBox. All right, so I also just want to put this in perspective with you guys. The GlossyBox subscription is $21 a month, and you are receiving 5 to 6 full size or mini full size sample products in it. Just this box alone came out to about $104 when I added everything up together, and it's like you're paying $21 to get $100 worth of product. Who doesn't love saving? Make sure you guys are getting this box subscription, and don't forget to use the code Chantler at checkout so that way you receive 22% off of your purchase on the first box. And they did say that they were doing an August surprise because it's their birthday. So y'all need to make sure y'all are getting this August box, okay? Okay? All right, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Also in the comments down below, please let me know what you think about this subscription box. Let me know if you plan on getting the August. And yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget that I love you guys with all my heart, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to